Hi, my name is Umar Qureshi, and pehli baar today I'm encountering a dilemma. When two young, hot, good-looking people meet each other, they say I love you. But I'm meeting two people who say I don't love you. Yes, that's the name of the new movie. Chetna Pandey and Ruslan Mumtaz are sitting with me to talk about the new movie, I Don't Love You. What does it mean? Let's find out.
I don't know what love is.
This MMS that is alleged of you and Sasha.
Yeah.
Have you seen it?
Yeah.
What do you think of it? And you guys didn't get attracted to each other?
The first time I saw her, I thought क्या ये तो hot है. जब हम मिले थे तो मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड थी. जब मैं सिंगल हो गया, इसका बॉयफ्रेंड था. जब ये सिंगल हो गई, वापस मेरी कोई गर्लफ्रेंड थी और ऐसा सिलसिला चलता रहा. And by then, we didn't have any attraction left for each other.
I don't love you. I think it's a new definition of love.
Okay.
We're done with I love you.
Okay, so you're admitting that you were in a relationship with him.
No, I think it's like honesty.
Okay.
We don't love each other, but let's just try things out.
Okay, so you try things out as in I don't love you, but let's do it for the heck of it.
Let's have fun. Let's be friends. Let's explore each other more.
Means friends with benefits?
No, not exactly. Because ये फिल्म जो है ना इंडियन फिल्म है, इंडियन ऑडियंसेस के लिए बनी हुई है.
अच्छा.
बेसिकली इंडिया में कहते हैं ना कि डेटिंग, बाहर घूमो, लड़कियों को मूवी के लिए लेकर जाना मतलब आप उनके साथ रिलेशनशिप में हो. तो इट्स दैट काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. यू जस्ट स्पेंडिंग मनी ऑन द गर्ल.
Okay. So it's a loss, you think?
Total loss.
Yeah?
Total loss.
So matlab you should not go for a girl.
You should not go for a girl. What does that mean?
Not go for a movie
You have
with a
to go
girl,
for a girl.
unless your like investment comes back.
No, you know, I'll tell
I
you,
don't know why
I
guys
don't,
think like
no,
that.
I don't love you actually deals with characters like that.
Yeah?
जिनकी सोच ऐसी है कि तूने तो 2 लाख खर्च कर दिए थे उस लड़की पर, तेरे को कुछ नहीं मिला. इससे बेटर ना कहीं कुछ इन्वेस्ट कर देता.
अच्छा. Yes,
So it's about characters like this. It's about people from today's colleges.
Yeah.
वो कैसे सोचते हैं लड़कियों के बारे में और relationships के बारे में. तो guys don't want responsibility, but they
Yeah.
still want the girl.
Yeah.
तो वो कहते हैं कि I don't love you, पर तुम मुझे अच्छी लगती हो. And if we hook up तो मुझे तो मज़ा आएगा. I don't know about you.
Yeah. But लड़कियों की सोच कैसी है आजकल?
I know. I mean, this character of mine, she's a very open girl and she likes the honesty about this guy. So I think saying I don't love you, but you don't love anyone when you meet them for the first time. So I think this honesty.
You don't believe in love at first sight?
I don't know. Never happened to
Lust
me.
at first sight होता है.
Lust at first
Oh my
sight.
God.
You don't
He's
believe in love
totally
at
the
first sight.
character.
I don't think love in first sight हो सकता है. And that happens when you are 17 years old. And वहाँ पर आपको पता नहीं होता कि दिल कहाँ पर है. कहीं और से आप सोचते हो, कहीं और से आपको लड़की पसंद आती है. तो लव एट फर्स्ट साइट नहीं होता. यू नो एक्चुअली मेरी फिल्म में डायलॉग है वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. पहली बार जब मैं इससे मिलता हूँ तो आई टेल हर दैट यू नो तुम्हारी आंखें बिल्कुल मेरी नानी जैसी है. मेरे नाना को उन्हें देखते ही पहली नज़र में प्यार हो गया था. सो डू यू बिलीव इन सेक्स एट फर्स्ट नाइट? आई मीन डू यू बिलीव इन लव एट फर्स्ट साइट? तो जो द कैरेक्टर ऑल्सो टॉक्स लाइक दैट. ही डज नॉट बिलीव इन लव एट फर्स्ट साइट.
You know, the very thought I don't love you, the title, it negates the idea of a love story. You think that's happening somewhere in the movie, or is that the signal you want to give?
See, even in I don't love you, I love you is there. तो हर I don't love you में भी एक I love you छुपा हुआ है कहीं. And earlier you had मैंने प्यार किया. Today Salman Khan does मैंने प्यार क्यों किया?
Yeah.
तो the definition of love has changed anyway.
Good answer.
तो अगर हम ऐसी फिल्म बनाएंगे जिसका नाम I love you है, आप भी बोलोगे कि यार देख चुके हैं, it's
What's
done and
new
over
about
with.
it?
Yeah.
And I don't love you जो टाइटल है, it goes with our film.
Yeah.
क्योंकि इसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं कि does the boy love the girl? Doesn't he love her? You know,
Yeah.
बहुत सारी it's layered and the title has so many layers.
Does this movie give a message, or is it an entertainer?
It gives a message obviously, but जब मैंने पहली बार कहानी सुनी थी और while I was shooting, I never thought कि इस फिल्म का कोई मैसेज है. I thought कि entertaining film है, love story है. But now when I watch the film, obviously there's a message. और ये हर मतलब every individual that watches the film उनको एक अलग मैसेज मिलेगा. The message I got from this film is कि MMS कभी शूट मत करो, और अगर किसी के पास भी MMS है अपने मोबाइल पर तो उसे डिलीट कर दो. That's the message I got from it.
You?
Yeah, I feel sad about the victims actually. People have made movies on MMS scandals, but this movie is basically what happens to these people afterwards, how
Yeah.
their life
Yeah.
goes, you know. So I got a message that poor people are victims.
The movie says I don't love you, would you believe in that in real life also, or you think it is only a movie, it's a concept?
You know, मैं
I would
पर्सनली
really
तो आई डोंट नो व्हाट लव इज़, सच बोलूँ तो आई डोंट नो व्हाट लव इज़। लव से ज़्यादा मैं रिस्पेक्ट में बिलीव करता हूँ। अगर कोई लड़का आपसे कहता है कि ही लव्स यू बट वो आपकी रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करता, तो व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ लव इज़ दैट? तो रिस्पेक्ट ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है।
That's so true. आप क्या कहेंगे?
I think I don't know about love, but what we are trying to show in this movie, the honesty, how these relationships are going nowadays. Somewhere it's very relative to what's happening in today's world.
Huh.
So love is gone somewhere. People are just.
But you mean to say that there is no hope for love?
No, it's not there. I mean, in the movie as well, they start
Yeah.
with a normal relationship, but eventually they fall for each other. So you don't know when that will happen to you. It's there somewhere. It depends on you want to believe it or no.
Yeah. When you talk about MMS, 2 movies are already made on it. You know,
Yeah.
one is Love, Sex, Dhokha, and one is
Ragini.
Dev D,
एंड रागिनी एमएमएस
and Ragini MMS also. But these movies have gone on to become like iconic. You think like this movie is going to follow in that field?
We don't know. We'll have to wait till it releases. We'll have to wait till everyone watches it. और उनके opinion पर depend करता है कि इस फिल्म का क्या होता है. But how I look at it is कि ये एक love story है. और पहले जो love stories बनती थी उनमें हिंदू मुस्लिम या इंडिया पाकिस्तान ले लो आप, अमीरी गरीबी, फिर ISI और रॉ का भी एक love story था. तो ये फिल्म ऐसी है जहाँ पर एक MMS लीक मुद्दा है. दो लवर्स के बीच में का जो विलन है वो एक MMS लीक है. तो आई थॉट इट्स अ न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ अ लव स्टोरी.
After your first film MP3 came and the music did well, the movie was okay. But then you went into a shell for some time, and now you seem to be back in a coming back with a lot of movies. So
Right.
where did you disappear in the middle?
You know, I think I was choosy. I think I was wrong. I thought I overestimated myself. मैं जिस किस्म का एक्टर हूँ, I thought I was better than that. और ये मेरी गलती थी. I did not realize कि I had lots more to learn. But now I don't look at it as अब मैं किसी को कुछ प्रूव नहीं कर रहा हूँ. अब मैं काम कर रहा हूँ because I'm enjoying it. तो मेरा अप्रोच बदल गया है.
And you did a small cameo in Dil To Bachcha Hai.
Yeah.
And then you did an ad with Aamir Khan.
Aamir, yeah.
Yeah, and you did some South movies also, right?
Yeah, one Tamil movie.
Yeah, so how's your journey been to this point, I Don't Love You, up to this point?
It's been very interesting, like different parts I had to play. Like ad films is totally different from cinema. Then South movies are totally
Yeah,
different because
yeah.
you don't know the language and you just struggle a lot with it. But doing Hindi cinema is fun, and when your character is, you can relate to the character, then it's more fun. I mean, here I just went back to my college time and enjoyed every bit of it.
Tell me, how did you get your first break in Bollywood?
My first break in Bollywood. Actually, I never thought of acting. I was in Pune doing my MBA. So that's when
Okay.
Ekta Kapoor spotted me for a TV show.
Okay.
So that's how it started. I couldn't do that show, but that's how my journey started. And then it was Amir Sad.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then Amir Zaid. How was it working with him? He's a perfectionist.
It was amazing. I never thought, I always used to dream that I want to meet him once. And when
Yeah.
you start acting, of course, he's one idol.
Yeah.
And when I got a chance to work with him, it was just superb.
Ruslan, you come from a film family. Your mom is the well-known actress Sanjana Mumtaz. And how did you get your first break? You knew from the beginning that I'm going to do movies, or you wanted to do something else?
I wanted to become a stock broker.
Okay.
और मेरा हमेशा इंटरेस्ट रहा है स्टॉक मार्केट में, पैसे में. तो तो आई वांटेड टू डू समथिंग विद फाइनेंस. पर बाद में मुझे पता चला कि एक्टिंग में भी बहुत पैसा है. तो आई डिसाइडेड दैट ये प्रोफेशन बेटर है. आई वांटेड टू डू माय MBA इन फाइनेंस. तो मेरे दोस्तों ने बोला कि अगर तू फाइनेंस करता है तो तू किसी एक्टर का उनके इन्वेस्टमेंट्स को देख रहा होगा.
Portfolio संभाल
दैट्स द पोर्टफोलियो संभाल रहा होगा. इससे बेटर है यू बिकम एन एक्टर एंड गेट समबडी टू लुक आफ्टर योर पोर्टफोलियो. दैट्स हाउ माय जर्नी स्टार्टेड. इट वाजंट वेरी इमोशनल, इट वाज मोर प्रैक्टिकल.
So
And then I worked on my skill.
Ruslan, you've been dragged through an MMS scandal yourself in real life, with your ex-girlfriend Sasha Aga. So tell me about that.
I don't know. Everyone seems to know more about it than I know about it. That's what I'm saying. I got dragged into it unnecessarily. मेरा उस MMS के साथ या उस टॉपिक के साथ कोई लेना देना नहीं है. And finally I'm out of it. But coincidence keep recurring. And वापस मैं एक फिल्म कर रहा हूँ जिसका बेस MMS है. तो लोग कह रहे हैं कि ये मैंने जानबूझकर किया है, ये मेरे लाइफ पर बेस्ड है. और मैं इस फिल्म को रिलीज़ भी कर रहा हूँ ऐसे दिन पर ताकि अब मेरी फिल्म को माइलेज मिले। अगर मैं इतना कुछ प्लान कर सकता तो आई शुड हैव हेडेड अ वेरी बिग कंपनी एंड आई वुड बिकम अ वेरी बिग प्रोड्यूसर आल्सो।
Tell me, like, what was your personal experience like? Why did you break up with Sasha and how long were you seeing her?
यार ऑनेस्टली यू नो, अगर मैं कुछ भी कहूँगा इस टॉपिक के बारे में तो टू प्रूव माई सेल्फ राइट मुझे किसी और को गलत साबित करना पड़ेगा एंड आई डोंट वांट टू डू दैट। इस मूवी के बाद मैंने रियलाइज़ किया है कि जिन लोगों के MMS होते हैं वो गलत नहीं होते हैं, दे आर विक्टिम्स एंड आई सिंपथाइज विद देम। और मेरी सोच जो पहले थी अब वो बदल गई है। At this point of time, anybody who is in an MMS, my heart goes out to them, and I feel like I'm one of them now, and my thought process has changed.
This MMS that is alleged of you and Sasha,
Yeah.
have you seen it?
Yeah,
What do you think of it?
I think it's some kids shooting some prank
Yeah.
or some dare. That's about it.
Have you seen it?
No. I
She
didn't know
didn't
about
even
it.
know about it. She tells
Yeah.
me
I
now.
just got to know about it when he was talking about it, that people are talking about the release date and everything. So I was
yeah.
like, yeah.
I Don't Love You and Aurangzeb, we just mentioned the releases on the same date. Will you wish each other best of luck, you and Sasha?
Yeah, obviously I'll wish
Yeah.
her best of luck क्योंकि मैं उनको जानता हूँ and कोई भी
था you
जानता
want to
हूँ,
say.
जानता था।
Yeah.
और कोई भी यंग एक्टर की डेब्यू फिल्म है बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है उनके लिए भी। फिर अर्जुन भी मेरा फ्रेंड है तो ऑब्वियसली I'd wish
Yeah.
him well.
Have you ever said I don't love you to anyone?
To a lot of people actually.
Yeah. How many?
Like before it was a different thing, you know, when you sing I don't love you, it's really I don't love you. So to a lot of people,
Yeah.
to a lot of guys in my college time.
A lot
But-
of guys must try to hit on you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you said I hate you to anyone?
I hate you.
Sure she has.
Yeah, like one or two maybe. Yeah. Somebody would have irritated me a lot.
Yeah. Have you said I don't love you to anyone?
Yeah, that's my breakup line is usually I love you but I don't love you that much. So I think we should just be friends. That's
Okay,
my
I'll
breakup
jot that
line.
down.
It's nice, huh?
Nice.
It's got I love you also, it's got I don't love you also, and it's got friendship also.
Yeah, fantastic. And have you said I hate you to anyone?
You know, I say I hate you most of the times to the people who I really love the most. Because when I can't take it anymore, that's what comes out.
Yeah, I think when two people are in a relationship and when they're fighting
Yeah.
with each other, so basically the love comes out as a negative form and
Yeah.
says, I hate you, just
Yeah.
stop
And
this
there's
right
too
now.
much
right?
of love,
Yeah, it's
so
like
then
that. It's
Yeah.
that, you know, I hate your guts.
extreme of love.
Yeah,
that
I
comes
hate you,
out.
stop this. I mean, I like you, I love you, but I don't like this side.
Yeah.
Stop, right? I guess
Yeah,
it's that, yeah. Are you single right now?
Yeah,
Dating anyone? No.
not really.
Have you dated anyone?
Yeah, my college time.
Okay, but right now you're single.
Yeah.
Sure. And you, are you single?
जब तक मेरी शादी नहीं होगी ना तब तक मैं सिंगल हूँ।
ये स्टैंडर्ड लाइन हो गई है आजकल सबकी.
नहीं पर यही
But that's
सच
the
है।
best sign.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
you're either single or you're married.
Or you're
I'm
married.
single.
Yeah, there's nothing
Are you
between.
dating anyone? Let's
No.
ask that question. Why do women like bad boys? Both of
I
you should
know,
answer.
but-
Do you think women like bad boys?
Yeah, because
Yeah.
they get bored with good boys.
Yeah.
Good
Yeah.
boys are boring. They want a good boy to be a son, not to be a boyfriend.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like
So guys
naughty
should
boy.
be inappropriate.
I think guys should just be themselves. Good, bad, इतना सोचना नहीं चाहिए.
सोचना absolutely, yeah. जो mood आए वही.
हाँ.
Enjoy the moment.
यार हर इंसान में good boy भी होता है, bad boy भी
Yeah.
होता है.
Eventually, like, is there anything, the one thing apart from the MMS that people should look forward to in I Don't Love You?
I think the songs, the music.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Which is your favorite song from the movie?
There's this song called Kuch Hone Ko Hai. It's a beautiful love number when
Yeah.
the guy feels for the girl. It's
Yeah.
a beautiful song.
Yeah, it's a nice one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which
Mine is Ishki Maki, Mika Sange.
before we end, I'm going to ask you some quick fire questions. Yeah. One Bollywood movie character that you would love to play.
Krish.
If not an actor, you would be?
I would be a sports person.
And you?
A loss-making stockbroker.
Okay, love ya lust.
Love.
Love ya lust.
God.
You choose.
Love.
चलो बोल तो.
बोलना पड़ेगा यहीं पर हूँ मैं.
उसके बाद don't add कर देंगे.
Yeah.
Do you think it's okay to cheat if your partner has cheated?
I think, yeah, I mean, I believe in equality.
Yeah. Yeah? Okay.
My God. नहीं यार, I don't think you should cheat, and I don't think you should be with a partner who cheats
Yeah,
also.
if you know about it, then of course there's no
Yeah.
relationship to do it
Yeah.
further.
Easier to win a girl's trust or break it?
Easy to break it.
If to gamble in love, is it okay?
No, I don't think so.
You know it's not okay,
think-
but you still gamble all the time.
Yeah. Is it okay to forgive the boy after he cheats on you?
No, I won't.
Yeah. Would you forgive a girl who cheats on you?
No, I don't think so.
You don't think so. The one thing for you that's a relationship breaker.
Cheating.
For you?
Cheating.
Cheating. Which is the one thing missing in today's love.
Loyalty.
Yeah, honesty.
And you guys didn't get attracted to each other?
We were friends for long, you know, so
Yeah.
we never thought of it.
Yeah, we knew each other long back. The first time I saw her, I thought यार ये तो hot है.
Yeah.
But finally हमारी दोस्ती हो गई तो वो मौका ही नहीं मिला कुछ
तो
आगे बढ़ाने का.
तो उससे दोस्ती में क्या रुकती है? बात रुक
नहीं
जाती है?
तब जब हम मिले थे तो मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड थी. जब मैं सिंगल हो गया इसका बॉयफ्रेंड था. जब ये सिंगल हो गई वापस मेरी कोई गर्लफ्रेंड थी और ऐसा सिलसिला चलता रहा. And by then we didn't have any attraction left for each other.
Okay, so we just settled down to being friends.
Yeah.
Yeah, but guys, looking forward to I Don't Love You.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I think it'll have a lesson for everyone.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I'm sure you all are excited.
Yeah, we are excited.
Yeah, so wish you best of luck for it and looking forward.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you.